This is a pre-owned used boat that's for sale at MarineMax on Lake Hopatcong. It's a Bayliner. The model is a 175 bow rider. It's powered by a Cruiser 135 horsepower 4-cylinder inboard-outboard engine. As you'll see, it has the Alpha stern drive, which is in very good condition. Ski ladder, ski eye. And the seating has a capacity of 7 people. Has the back-to-back sun lounge fold-down seats on both sides, and then you have the bow rider compartment. In the aft section of the boat have the motorbox jump seats, which gives you more room on the cockpit and seats on each side of the engine compartment. Comes complete with a galvanized trailer. It's all ready to go. Oil changes are done. Everything's up to date. It's available at MarineMax on Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey.